This video will show you how to set up your mobile mat platform and perform a BESS test. Please take a moment to confirm that you have the following components: one mobile mat sensor platform, one 10-foot USB cable, and the SportsAT Software disk. Begin by installing the SportsAT software. Next, plug in the USB cable into your USB port on the back of the platform with cable provided. Plug the other end into any USB port on your PC. Place the balanced platform on a firm, level surface. Next, launch the SportsAT software from your computer's desktop. After launching the program, the main window is displayed. Confirm that the SportsAT software is set to the BESS test mode. If it is set to SCAT3, click the down arrow and select BESS. Begin by adding your client's personal information to the database. Click Add Client, enter the client's personal information. Fields with red asterisk are required. Next, select the dominant foot and hand. If your client is associated with a group or team, select the team from the Groups drop-down menu. Then, click Save and Exit. If the group's name does not appear in the list, add the name by clicking the group's icon. Then click the plus icon and enter the group's name. Click Save. You can now associate the client to one or multiple groups by clicking the Edit Client and checking the group name. Click Save and Exit. Please note that an entire roster can be added concurrently by clicking the Save and Add Another button. Click the Client List tab to hide the client list. The first test performed on a client is their baseline. Once the baseline has been established, it cannot be redone or altered after 24 hours. All subsequent tests are then compared to the baseline. Have your client remove their footwear. Explain to your client that they must keep their eyes closed and hands on their hips for the entire length of all trials. If they lose their balance, they should resume the test position as quickly as possible by placing their hands on their hips and closing their eyes. Click Start Test. Choose the trial position that you would like to perform first by clicking on one of the 6 trial conditions. When performing a single leg test, have your client stand on their non-dominant leg in the middle of the platform, hands on their iliac crests. Click Run Trial. The system is now armed, and you will see a real-time pressure profile to the left of the silhouette figure. When they are steady, ask them to close their eyes, then begin the trial by clicking Start Trial. As the trial is being performed, you will see the progress bar count up the trial time. Once the trial is complete, the error table is displayed with the number of errors entered into the appropriate field. Select the next trial to be performed by clicking the desired trial box. Repeat the trial protocol until all 6 trial positions have been completed. Once all 6 trials have been performed, the baseline test is complete. Finally, click the back button to see your tallied results in the bar graph. Click the individual bar to revisit the individual errors for each position. The following images show the 6 trial positions. Two reports can be generated from the test data: the assessment report and the BESS test report. To print the assessment report, click anywhere on the assessment table. Click Export to PDF, then click File, Print. To print the BESS test report from the assessment table, click the BESS test that you would like to print. Click Export to PDF, then click File, Print. This completes the BESS test training video. Thank you.